I'm a little confused right now.
No, you're not. You know.
You're confused?
I'm confused.
Why you were told to come here?
Right, so there's another officer on a call in reference to something, and I just came by to see if you guys were home.
Oh, yeah, we were just...
We rode by her friend's house.
It's like an ongoing joke about egging people's cars, and it's been, I'm sure you've heard that the police have been called before. It's like a whole big thing, but our cars were egged, so we egged their car back, and I don't know why somebody decided to call the police.
Shut the f up. Are you f***ing serious?
Stop it.
No f***ing way. Bro, this is f***ing hilarious. Bro, this is Mom. This is your daughter.
Yo, Lulu.
Excuse me, bitch, I was running up my bag. Money on my shoulder, put designer on my ass. This shit too nice, but it's fucking up my head. So I be getting high, but I ain't popping fuckers down.
Okay. So, hopefully, many of you guys that come across this video right here has, you know, you're of age. You know, you're older. And so you've been through high school. And one thing about high school is I can remember now the senior pranks that took place when I was in high school, man. Like, I remember junior year, this was crazy. Like, you would have thought that the school was getting, pew-pewed by people that was crazy and whatnot, you know? I know schools where they did other senior pranks and whatnot, water balloon fights, water guns and all that. Now, I don't know exactly what this senior prank entails, but this video right here from Body Cam Files, senior prank ends in complete disaster. Now, I'm not going to waste no more time. I'm not going to leave you too hard in laughter. Just make sure you hit that like button for the algorithm, LowtoneLu. Make sure you share the video with somebody next to you. Then hit that subscription with that notification muscle because we're on the way to 10K in 2025. And you know this is something you want to miss now, right now. Without further ado, niece and nephew, it's your Uncle Lou. Lulu.
On to a neighborhood where a caller stated she just observed a drunk mother throwing eggs at a car with her teenage daughter.
Hey, open the garage back up, please. Bravo 502, she just went into the garage and shut the door. Hello? Ma'am?
Yeah.
Hey, it's Deputy Thornton, Nassau County Sheriff's Office.
Right.
Hey, how are you?
Is this the same lady's house? This was just a forerunner from the last video. Like, you can't make this up.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Deputy Thornton, Nassau County Sheriff's Office. Hey, how are you?
Good, you?
I'm doing all right. So I don't really know what's going on. I have another deputy that's somewhere else. Do you have any idea why we're here right now?
No.
HU Bravo 602. I'm 1012. Okay. So he's on his way here now. To, I guess, discuss with you whatever was happening.
Okay.
Yeah, you can get out. It's fine.
All I know is that these kids have been teenagers, and
Mama looks
that's
drunk.
it. That's all I can.
Okay. So what's your name?
Sure.
Is there more people in the car? Okay. Why'd you say what'd you say?
I'm sure you know.
I know what?
My name? I thought you would have.
Why?
I just thought.
Why would I know your name?
Because the people who call the police and know who we are.
No, I have no idea
They're
your
not
name.
stupid.
No.
You're here for a reason. It's
Okay, all right. So how about we step outside of the garage? Okay, I understand what you're saying now. I was confused about maybe I ran into you in the past. Okay, so why am I here? Because I'm a little confused right now.
No, you're not. You know.
You're confused?
I'm confused.
Why you were told to come here?
Right, so there's another officer on a call in reference to something, and I just came by to see if you guys were home.
Oh, yeah, we were just...
We rode by her friend's house.
It's like an ongoing joke about egging people's cars, and it's been, I'm sure you've heard that the police have been called before. It's like a whole big thing, but our cars were egged, so we egged their car back, and I don't know why somebody decided to call the police again. No.
Shut the fuck up. Are you fucking serious?
Stop it.
No fucking way. Bro, this is fucking hilarious. Bro, this is Mom. This is your daughter. What are you doing egging people's house with her?
knowing that it's a joke. But I've spoken to the police before about this.
Okay.
Not regarding my vehicle, but regarding someone else's vehicle. So.
Okay, so not regarding your vehicle, someone else's, but you spoke. When did you speak
is
to him
crazy.
last? Because I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea. I didn't
They're
ever hear about
egging
I
this.
didn't
People's
tell you,
cars.
but it was.
Bro, I'm not even gonna lie. If you egg my car, you better hope I do not catch you doing that in the act. Like, my car is gonna start and it's gonna be me chasing you. Like, I'm not even playing. That's not funny. And I'm gonna make you lick it off my car. Like, I know I'm so serious. Like, y'all think I'm playing. That's not funny. Egging people's house, it's funny when you like 11 or 12 and you doing it for the first time. But the older you get, bro, that junk's not funny.
Great.
I didn't tell you. It was like.
That's okay. That happens sometimes,
3
Mama.
weeks ago, it was like Cody Mooney egged everybody's cars. I didn't
Okay.
tell you about that.
Saying
But-
people's names.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going to talk to Bill.
Hello.
Hey, honey.
What did you do?
You know
Nothing.
exactly what we did.
Why are cops here?
We got arrested.
So I'm Deputy Thornton. Deputy Hutcherson is on his way over here. He's the
Oh,
one
he's
that's
about to
working
be
whatever
pissed.
all of this is. I just came by to see if you guys were here. I was just given a vehicle description and to see if you guys were here, and I just happened
She
to
is
We're
full
here.
grown.
pass by as you guys were pulling in the driveway.
Yeah, it's fine. We're
So,
here. She let them in. It's an egg
Like a TV
game
show.
that these kids are going. Listen, I'm no.
Bruh, and mom sounds like she had a little much juice in her body tonight. And I'm talking about like alcohol. She sounds like she been drinking.
Known about this shit for weeks, and not any of these kids are innocent. So
okay.
whatever.
You're egging
All right, and like I
children's
said, I'm not
car?
sure the other party who called it this time.
Yeah.
I just was sent over here to see if the car was here. That's all.
I got
That's
it.
all I know right now. So he is on his way though. So he should be here any minute.
Your taser charge?
It is. It is
Can I
very
hold
much a charge.
I got 4 kids inside. Can we get it? Darn it.
Yeah.
No, we're not going anywhere.
Yeah. Your wife's on it.
Going.
Sorry, I was gonna grab my chapstick out of the car.
Okay, you can grab your chapstick. Yes, you are.
Man.
You are detained right now, though. Just so we're clear.
Okay.
This has been going on.
Fortified grape juice.
Okay. I didn't know that this was like a thing.
I didn't either until like a month ago.
Okay. All right.
Mom,
Yeah.
do you know where it is?
This is
I think it's in the passenger seat
is
because your
like-
mom just put it on.
an ongoing thing. Yeah.
Would you like to put on an outfit? A mermaid outfit?
No, I'm good actually. No,
Dad is in on it. I'm hearing him.
I'm
trying to distract
I think
him.
I'm all right with that. Why are you
that's the
causing problems on this fine
Fortified. Stepping
evening?
on him.
Well, you just gotta get them back.
It is a full moon.
It is a full moon. You know how crazy us women are.
On a full moon, it be like that sometimes.
I don't know where you're off for.
I have another one. It's okay.
Hey, and the crazy thing is that the neighbor that we ran into
Oh, he's here.
is our
Oh, they got some money.
son-in-law.
They drive way big as fuck.
Bitch, if I get a ticket for you, I'm going to your ass.
That's why, and they Florida. They finna get away with this
Can you
shit.
find the signal one?
So the young one was driving, and she said she's the one that egged the
Nassau?
car.
What county?
She said it's been like a thing that all the kids have been doing to each other, apparently.
No,
But
but
I didn't go any further than that. So, because it's
We can separate. Do me a favor, come over here for me, man.
Nope, you can speak right. I'm not at home.
You know what? Turn around, put your hands behind. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. You are now under arrest.
He not even playing.
55 her too, though, since she wanted to admit to doing it.
Bro, y'all egging people out. I ain't gonna lie, W Cop, he didn't waste no time. He literally just was like, yo, I'm taking you over here. They're not listening. And
Alpha, Bravo, Bravo.
put
just
your
was
hands together
not
like you're
going for it.
praying. Like you're praying.
Was that really necessary? Did she do anything wrong?
I have no idea because I wasn't there. But he asked her to step over there so that way we could conduct our investigation, and she refused to do so. Would you let me to get in?
Yep.
So that's
absolutely.
a problem. That's called resisting.
How much have we had to drink today?
bro,
2 White Claws.
Okay. Are you willing to
2 White
submit to field
Claws is
sobriety
crazy.
exercises?
No, no.
So a refusal can be used against you in court later on.
Okay.
All right. So I also have suspicions of you being DUI driving your vehicle.
I'm not driving it.
I have witnesses that put you in the vehicle. You and your daughter swapped seats, and you drove when you fled the scene.
Nope.
I have witnesses telling me that. Are you willing to submit to field sobriety?
Nope.
Okay.
10-4, is this an additional 755?
Correct. It's a whiskey fox
Bro,
shot.
she's a
signal
grown
56.
I have my phone
person.
on me. Is that okay? Or do you need it?
10-4.
It's in my
drunk.
waistband, like my pocket.
You're getting drunk and going out egging people's cars with your daughter, bro. And you're not only that, you're egging children's cars
There's nothing else on me though.
as
Did I
retaliation.
hear a baby crying or something? Okay, you can have a seat.
Being the bigger person
There you go.
All right,
doesn't
so you
matter
have the
to
right
you.
to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to talk to an attorney and have one present with you while you're being questioned. Do you
They're not
understand
even
each of these
worried
rights if
about
I
it.
explain to you?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
I don't know what to say.
Either you want to answer questions or you don't want to answer questions without an attorney.
I won't, I guess.
Okay.
You will
Sounds
not
good.
answer
Bruh,
questions.
what's the dude from the Monsters Ball? I can't think of his name. The guy that played Halle Berry's co-star. Yeah, he kind of reminds me like a younger version of him. Yeah, I can't put my I can't think
Is
of
that
his
like
name.
a
Bruh.
problem? I don't really know how this
Absolutely not. I'm going to go off with the evidence I have.
So that's your right. If you are invoking your Miranda right, then that means that you do not want to speak to us and answer questions
name?
with us right now.
Billy Bob
Yeah.
Thornton. He looked like a young Billy
Do you
Bob
need my
Thornton.
ID?
You won't answer questions. Is that what you're saying? I'm just trying to make sure I'm clear.
I guess not. No.
Okay, all right,
The
thanks.
thug is
That's all we
ready to
needed.
spawn.
I haven't read them to her yet, but she's refused field sobriety.
Okay. All right. Help me understand
So
what's happening.
the daughter was driving when they pulled back up in?
Correct. Well, here's the thing. The garage shut.
Well, I
then
have a
they,
will witness
then
that
they,
put her behind the
the
wheel.
garage shut, and then they reopened.
Apparently, a neighbor, this has been a dispute between her and another girl in school. A neighbor was coming into the neighborhood. Mom was out egging the vehicle in the driveway. There's eggs all over the car, everything else.
Is there actual damage to the car?
Not that I know of,
Okay.
but it can cause potential damage because they're eggs. It will peel paint off.
Okay.
So the guy got out and talked to him. Or actually, they followed him down the road. They went into Sonoma where Jeremy lives. They got caught back there. They got out and talked to him. Mom jumped in the driver's seat of the vehicle and took off.
So
And they identified her as the suspect because apparently their parents live next door.
okay. So when I pulled up in the garage, they saw me pull up behind. I initiated my lights, and then they started shutting the garage door. And I yelled, "Hey, open the garage back up." The garage door fully shut, and then they opened it back up. And when they opened it back up, Mom was getting out of the passenger side. So they very easily could have switched seats.
Oh, yeah. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have them present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you?
What am I being arrested for?
Do you understand the rights that I explained to you?
What am I being arrested for?
Do you understand each of these rights if I explained to you?
Yes. What am I
Okay,
being
having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
No.
Okay. So
What am I
you're
being
under
arrested?
you're under arrest for criminal mischief.
Oh my
For
god.
what?
You know
Criminal
what,
mischief.
too?
Egging a car.
That
Can
you
you
know
get
what
my
that's showing me?
I'll work on that in a minute.
That the dad, he's clearly dated this lady, and she's clearly younger than him by like a mile, bro. Like it's evident to me. Like he came into that situation, he probably wanted the young chick back in the day, and this is where it comes
Turn around
to.
that way for me so I can make
dealing
sure they
with
double
shit
lock
like
and don't
this.
lock down on you.
Because you want a
Spin back
younger
around
girl.
and have us lean back against the back.
Tina was charged with disorderly intoxication, loitering and prowling, and criminal mischief. Her daughter, a minor at the date of this incident, was also involved and arrested alongside her mother. However, because she is underage, any legal proceedings would be handled through the juvenile justice system, which is confidential. No case details about her arrest are currently available.
That sounds like something so annoying to get arrested for. Like that's embarrassing. Like all jokes aside.